Everybody, this is step 2 of your final project. Not super complicated, so this should be a short explanation video. In step 2, you're going to be identifying some of the big ideas in coding that we've covered this trimester. So between our work with the LEGO Mindstorms and Code.org, we've covered kind of these 4 major concepts in coding. And they are sequencing, which means putting the code in the right order. So you'd write an explanation of like why that's important, what would happen if you didn't do it or you didn't know how to do it. Loops, which is when we get the code to repeat, right? So you'll write an explanation of like what that does for you, why that's important, why you use it. Third, conditionals. So that's like when we use in Mindstorms, it's like if we're using a wait for block, like wait till you see the color red to do something. In Code.org, it was when we used like for loops, until loops, or if else loops. So saying things like if there's a path ahead, walk forward, else turn left. Things like that. Last is functions, which was the very last thing we did on Code.org this trimester. I believe. Maybe it was variables, but functions, one of the very last things we did. And that was where we kind of taught the computer one phrase to do a bunch of actions. So think of a function like if I'm telling you, hey, go put your Chromebook away, I'm not saying get up out of your chair, push your chair in, walk to the Chromebook cart, put your Chromebook in the cart, plug it in, walk back to your desk, sit in your chair. Right? I'm just saying put the Chromebook away and you know all those steps. A function is kind of like the same thing. It's like teaching a computer all the steps with just one phrase. So again, today's step, you're just writing explanations for these 4 big ideas that we have talked about. Let me know if you need help. You can email or text.